The Earth, Wind, and Fire Experience, featuring the Al McKay All-Stars. On Friday, August 22nd, 8 p.m. at the Aliw Theater. Tickets are limited. Call TicketNet at 911-5555 or get your tickets from any TicketNet outlet or SM malls.
Dr. Jaime San Pedro, masabi mo na may mundo ang mga sirena.
Meron silang kaharian. Ang tawag nyo dito ay Sirenea.
Ang babae niya, tahinan ninyo yan.
Apo. Mahiwagang babae siya.
Eh, si Isabel, hindi mahiwaga para sa'yo?
Ang buntot na to, magmimistulan na ng binti at paa. At ang mukha ko, magiging parte na lang ito ng aking nakaraan.
At ngayong handa na si Jezebel maging tao habang buhay, tila may maitim na balak si Erebus. Jezebel, ang maasahang tagapagpatawa, tagapagpaluha at tagapagpakilig sa atin noon, ang ating mga comics. Comics sa panahon ng kahaytekan. Comics na binigyang buhay sa TV at mga pelikula. Curious ba kayo kung sino-sino ang mga utak sa likod nila? At ang mga kwentong huling-huli ang kiliti ng mga chikiting? Huwebes sa 100% Pinoy pagkatapos ng saksi. August 24, matatakot ang mga artista. At ito ang katatakutan nila.
Nagbabalik po kami para siyempre gawing mas exciting at mas masaya ang inyong linggo.
Tok, tok, tok! Payayamanin uli kayo ngayong linggo na pagkatapos ng Cass Amazing Story sa GMA.
Samba?
Sama daw!
I brought my friend.
Hi! Thank you, Samba! Samba! Brazilian-style corned beef. Ground, tender, pwedeng straight from the can. Natural na sarap, natural na saya. Makasama ka lang. Hello, ba?
Uy, kamusta ka na?
Akyatin, dagat ay miss na kita ba?
Miss na rin kita.
Kumusta na yung mga bata?
Lagi ka nilang hinahanap.
Tus na mahal kita.
Buhay na buhay ang pagsasama sa mas pinatinding todo tawag 15-15. 15 minutos, 15 pesos lang. Pwede rin TM to Globe.
Power to the people.
Say goodbye to hair breakage worries. With fruit extracts and vitamins. New Sunsilk Frutamin Strengthening Collection. Makes hair up to 10 times stronger and shinier. New Sunsilk Frutamin Strengthening Collection. Because life can't wait. Sunsilk.
Relax. Loosen up. Dream of crisp wafers and luscious chocolate. And break away. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
No matter how you wash your body, there remains dirt inside you. So drink Del Monte 100% pineapple juice every day. It's fiber-enriched. It's like giving your inner body a shower. Detoxify daily. Drink Del Monte pineapple juice.
Pagsipog ka naman dyan.
Sibog ba ka mo?
Mga special parts.
Wow, yan na! Ano man ang pagkain. Ito pa! Sino man ang kakain. Basta't sarsay mang Tomas. Sarap,
Ay,
special
sarap!
magbas.
Uy, may merienda
Special araw-araw.
High cholesterol? It puts you at risk for heart disease.
That's why at Nestle, we've developed Nesvita Pro Heart with Acticol, natural plant sterols that help prevent cholesterol from entering the bloodstream. Acticol is clinically proven to help lower total cholesterol count.
Help your heart be healthy with nutrition from Nestle. Choose wellness. Choose Nestle. Choose Nesvita Pro Heart.
Regine works hard. Salonpas medicated patch relieves pain quickly by trapping active pain-killing ingredients directly on the pain. Salonpas for sealed-in pain relief. Also in large size for your back.
edition Olympic action figure. Free inside the Milo 1 kilogram box. Collect all 8.
Pwede na ba kayo ma-love at first sight?
Then, manood na kayo ng Loving You.
Now showing.
Maganda yung movie, nakakilig. Mag-enjoy kayo.
Go, go, go! Loving You. Now showing. Thumbs up. Hope everyone comes and watch it. You want to make it a date?
Siguradong may love kayo. Loving You. Now showing.
When it comes to giving him the right breakfast, sigurista ako. Kaya I give him Nestle Coco Crunch. Ngayon, gawa ito sa whole grain for more nutrition. When I see the Nestle whole grain symbol in Coco Crunch, alam kong he's getting key nutrients tulad ng fiber, vitamins, at protein. Kaya he has the energy to stay focused and active in school. Nestle Coco Crunch, now with whole grain. Kids love it, moms trust it.
May patitira ako sa'yo. Tawagin mo ang buong sindikato.
Ready for attack.
Trouble! Palabas na sa inyong mga paboritong sinehan. Hatid sa inyo ng Extreme Magic Sing X18K Gold. Double microphones na, wireless pa. Extreme ang galing!
Samba?
Sama daw!
I brought my friend.
Ay, thank you, Samba!
Samba, Brazilian-style corned beef. Ground, tender, pwedeng straight from the can. Natural na sarap, natural na saya.